Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set link on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting links on your Wix website allows you to connect to various pages, documents, external websites, and more, enhancing navigation and user experience. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the Sites section, and that's going to be on the left side because when you click it, it would open the Wix editor for the website you want to edit. Now, there are a couple of methods where you can set link on a Wix. For example, in this text right here, double click that. You're going to be have an option to link it here. You can put in the page, all right? If you wanted to link this to a specific page within your website or your site, you might want to put in something like home, contact, or you can even add a new page. That is linking a text on a specific page on your website. If not, if you're choosing the web address, of course, for example, I'm going to link this web address to our GPLAFS YouTube channel. Now, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. I'm going to copy this link right here and switch over to our Wix editor. And from there, paste it in, click on done. All right, so these are the multiple ways for you to put in a link. Now, you can also do the same thing here for the image. You can put in section or anchor right here, bottom of page. Is it going to be a document right here? Are you going to put that for an email? So if you wanted to put in an email address, for example, I'm going to link this to dplafs6@gmail.com. And the email subject is going to be something like this. All right. And click on done. So these are ways for you to, or if you click on add elements right here, for example, you wanted this link to forward you to the PDF file, you can also do that. For example, this is going to be this. Click on add to page. And of course, you see there's going to be a couple of options here on the settings. You can show title and show all of these options. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.